The reason I wouldn't put the Badger 5 in my own home is only because there are far better units. There are units that are stronger and units that are quieter as well. It's a popular opinion that maybe if it's a lower horsepower or a less powerful unit, it's going to be quieter. That's not necessarily the case. Some of the larger units also have a little bit more insulation built in around the motor. They use solid steel grinding components instead of zinc or aluminum. So, and that's not just the blades, but the gears as well. So the larger units oftentimes will be quieter than the cheaper counterparts.